Welcome to the Fun and Learn. Hi everyone, today we are going to learn some action verbs and English sentences that we use daily. Let's begin with the topic. Wake up. I wake up early in the morning. Brush. She brushes her teeth every day. Wash. I wash my hands before eating. Eat. We eat dinner together. Drink. He drinks coffee in the morning. Get dressed. I get dressed after taking a shower. Go. They go to school by bus. Come. He comes home at 5 p.m. Sleep. I sleep at 10 p.m. every night. Take. She takes a shower every morning. Work. They work in an office. Study. I study English in the evening. Write. He writes a letter to his friend. Read. She reads a book every weekend. Draw. The child draws pictures in class. Count. I can count from 1 to 10. Learn. They learn new words every day. Teach. She teaches math to young students. Answer. He answers questions in class. Ask. I ask my teacher for help. Clean. She cleans her room on Saturdays. Cook. I cook dinner for my family. Wash. He washes the dishes after lunch. Iron. She irons her clothes before work. Sweep. I sweep the floor every morning. Mop. He mops the kitchen floor. Vacuum. They vacuum the living room. Dust. She dusts the furniture weekly. Fix. He fixes the broken chair. Plant. I plant flowers in the garden. Drive. He drives to work every day. Ride. I ride my bike to the park. Fly. She flies to New York for meetings. Walk. They walk to school together. Run. I run in the park every morning. Travel. We travel to different cities in summer. Cross. He crosses the street carefully. Park. She parks her car in the garage. Catch. I catch the bus at 8 a.m. Wait. They wait at the train station. Play. The children play soccer in the park. Watch. She watches TV in the evening. Listen. I listen to music while studying. Sing. They sing songs at karaoke. Dance. She dances at the party. Draw. He draws pictures for fun. Paint. I paint landscapes in my free time. Swim. They swim in the pool every weekend. Fish. He fishes in the lake on Sundays. Ride. She rides a horse on vacation. Buy. I buy groceries every Monday. Sell. He sells fruit at the market. Pay. She pays for the tickets. Save. I save money for a new phone. Spend. He spends a lot on clothes. Earn. She earns money from her job. Shop. They shop for clothes in the mall. Return. I return the broken item to the store. Choose. She chooses a red dress. Exchange. He exchanges dollars for euros. Run. I run every morning. Jump. The kids jump on the trampoline. Climb. He climbs the mountain with friends. Swim. She swims in the ocean during summer. Throw. I throw the ball to my dog. Catch. He catches the ball easily. Kick. He kicks the ball into the goal. Lift. He lifts heavy weights at the gym. Push. They push the car to the side. Pull. I pull the door to open it. Talk. They talk on the phone every night. Speak. She speaks English fluently. Say. He says hello to everyone. Tell. I tell my friend a funny story. Call. She calls her mom every weekend. Shout. He shouts when he is angry. Whisper. They whisper during the movie. Explain. The teacher explains the lesson. Invite. I invite friends to my party. Answer. She answers all the questions. Feel. I feel happy when I see my friends. Think. He thinks about his future. Remember. She remembers her childhood. Forget. I forget my keys at home. Love. They love spending time together. Like. I like chocolate ice cream. Hate. She hates getting up early. Need. He needs help with his homework. Want. I want to learn Spanish. Hope. They hope to win the game. Hope. They hope to win the game. Open. I open the window for fresh air. Close. She closes the door softly. Turn on. He turns on the lights. Turn off. They turn off the TV before bed. Break. She breaks the vase accidentally. Fix. He fixes the broken clock. Carry. I carry the groceries inside. Hold. She holds the baby carefully. Build. They build a treehouse in the backyard. Draw. He draws a map for directions. Thank you for watching the Fun and Learn. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe,